Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial by Nocode Africa. In this tutorial, you're going to be the one helping me out with something. Okay, so we just decided to change the logo for our brand, Nocode Africa brand. And right now we have a new set of logo designs that we're going to be using as our brand identity for Nocode Africa. And so we want you to actually help us out with choosing which of these brand identities that we can go for. So this is like the very first one, and this is it. You can just like go through what the design says. So here, Nocode Africa empowers aspiring entrepreneurs, early stage startup founders, students, technical and non-technical professionals across Africa to turn their ideas into reality quickly and efficiently using no-code tools. All right, so that's the part, and then this is how the logo was actually conceptualized. Yeah, so you can just like go through it and try to understand a couple of things here. Now this is everything for our logo, for one of the logos. All right, so this is the logo, the very first variation of the logo. So what do you think about this logo? Is this the logo that we should start using for our brand? If at all it is this particular one, let's assume that this is logo 1. So just let us know in the comment section under this video that we should go for logo 1. All right, if at all you think we should go for logo 1 for our new brand identity for Nocode Africa. So this is the very first one, and so let's go ahead and check out the second one. Now this is the second one. So we have here build faster with no code, and this is the beautiful logo here, Nocode Africa. All right, so you can check out the different conceptualization theory with regards to how this particular logo was created. So you can check it out, and then from there just give us an idea of what you think, which of them do you think we should go for as our new brand identity for Nocode Africa. All right, so this is the designs. So just let us know in the comment section what you think we should use as our new brand identity for Nocode Africa. And also, if at all you love our brand, the EOSpace brand, the Nocode Africa brand, just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because we provide lots of tutorials that will teach you how to build mobile apps and web apps without coding. And we are also currently working on teaching you how to start, grow, and build a business without having to spend so much of money. All right, so if at all you love what we are doing at Nocode Africa at EOSpace, just click the like button and like this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I will be looking forward to reading your your responses in the comment section, and this is going to be one of the things we're going to put into consideration to determine which of these brand identities we're going to use as our as our logo. All right, thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.